you bring your own chairs because you're not supposed to touch their chair.
Here in the place.
Yeah?
Are you right?
Yeah, you know the washroom. I see chairs. That chairs are umbrella. I'm not sure what it is.
Yes, they have them hung up. They have them in a bag. Yeah, for sure. 3 of them.
Right.
So you see when people are sitting, those are locals.
It is not chairs,
Have their
umbrella.
own stuff.
I think it's chairs. I guess they do this so nobody must be.
Yeah, bum. Yeah, speed bum.
The sleeping
That's
bus.
one of the
Not
local
for
bus.
me.
That's one of the local bus.
It's
This is a
free?
bus route, you know.
You mean it's free?
No,
When
no.
you catch,
Bus is about maybe $2 now. You guys love casinos?
No, we don't like to lose money.
That's why I told you, remember it's
Costa Linda. See.
That's what it is for. Didn't you see say sand and wind?
That's what I think I'm going there.
Sun, sun,
What did you say you going
the
there?
same thing.
That's what I think.
Yeah, that's what they had there. What is on this one?
We gotta act local so we don't get charged tourist price. So start speaking Spanish.
Buenas
Buenos dias. Buenos noches. When you go to the restaurant, say buenos noches.
Yeah.
No, buenos dias is morning, buenos tardes is afternoon, and buenos noches is night. Night.
Just like that. All the beaches is free. You see, everywhere you can go, any beaches. Right through.
It's surrounded by water.
Yeah. Everything is free.
Everything is not free. This is the supermarket, right?
There's a lot of
This is the one that's closest to us. How is the food? The KFC here, it tastes like Jamaican.
Man, I don't know what happened to this KFC. The one in Cayman and here.
No, me, I wonder if it's like Jamaican KFC.
I don't know what Jamaican did with their KFC.
Following Jamaican.
Yeah, that's cute.
They put them seeds. It's
Even
the breeze.
Even the chicken here.
It's the breeze. It's
I
the
think
breeze.
it's a chicken.
It's the
It's the
island.
island breeze.
Or maybe they're full.
Ooh, I wanna take a picture there.
yeah. Aruba, see people like
After we done it, we change on our umbrella.
Yeah.
Are we following you?
Yes, yes, fine.
She's scared. Because you have to drive like them when they're there. You can't act like you're scared of them.
That's Dimas, that's the immigration place. Follow him, follow him. I don't know you going to the same place like you.
He's going with us.
Yeah, go with it. No,
I'm not afraid
no,
of
the
it.
license plate.
Oh,
The license plate's a V. Just like how you see the A.
okay.
Your one's a V because a visitor.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, so the A mean Arubian or keep. So when people see you with a V, they know that you're a visitor. They just know that. Yeah. Go straight.
right side of the road.
This is where the ghettos.
This is ghetto.
Yeah, this is downtown, the main street over there.
This is like downtown, like Jamaica downtown.
But it's still no gunshot not there. Only little shallows being little thief here and there.
You
But
guys don't have any crime?
straight, not now, straight.
Straight?
We're downtown, we're gonna get something to eat. Yeah. Only 12 minutes we can drive back. I'll send you this on the camera. Camera so clean. Man,
Smells good too. Where's my baby?
why is it chicken? A barbecue chicken? In now.
They're locked?
Nice inside. Can dress up on it.
One different here. Come on.
So guys, this is a restaurant. We're gonna see what menu they have. What about all the living room?
I'll get one cake. I have all of those. The number 9.
I like this setting. This is nice.
Instead of downtown. What about that one?
Private? Dollars. Private?
What's the here? 94?
No more food, Finita? Food, Finita? Come in now. Come, Finita? Sit down, right?
Alright guys, we're eating. I have baked chicken, plantain, rice and beans. Watch out, look for Louis. Auntie Dan, see Mr. Louis there? some chicken and rice and some water. Shake your bum bum. Say hi to YouTube, guys.
You see me
Say hi to
church by the
YouTube.
place?
Free ads,
No
free
per-
ads, no perfect people allowed.
Yeah.
Move your hair. Okay, I got it.
And here.
Hey guys, we're gonna go shop for some chicken, rice, necessary stuff, and
Staples.
see if you don't talk to me then. I want to get
Necessary staples.
Look at this, what's this? To cook. Let's go find out, guys. Let's go see. No, this is fake. Yes.
Are these real?
Oh, it's say, come on in. Look nice, Father. It's okay. Because when we come back, bread we
Yeah, we have sugar over here.
yeah, we need sugar.
You getting sodas for the kids or juice? Here, we know tea and soda.
Oh yeah. I need some tea, peppermint or something.
Should we go on this one? Are you getting soda for the kids?
Yeah.
Paula wanted it.
Yeah, Fabian. We went to the supermarket and we got some stuff, juices, eggs and vegetables and oranges, milk and stuff like that. We got water, more juices and butter and crumbs, hot dog, sausages, and we got some more stuff. Right. And we have in the bottom potatoes and stuff, guys. Alright. And we have some chicken. We're gonna, maybe me or my brother gonna cook some curry chicken or brown stew chicken. We're gonna make a video with something rice, and I just make some fever grass tea. My brother got fever grass. With this one, mint fever grass, like a 3 or 4 mint. So we're gonna make a video. We got ripe banana and some avocado and tea.